Welcome, 8th graders. I am absolutely thrilled you're here for this explainer, because today, well, it marks the beginning of an incredible journey for you. You're at the exact perfect point in your lives to start looking ahead. We're going to explore how you can discover your completely unique, God-given potential in STEM. That's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, of course. But listen, we aren't just going to look at a list of jobs. No way. We are going to explore how those careers can actually align with your deepest values and your ultimate purpose.
Okay, let's dive into this roadmap and see how we get from your current interests to a fulfilling future. First up, your future in STEM. Then, why STEM matters today. After that, how to research careers, followed by real-world STEM examples, and finally, we'll wrap it all up with education, morality, and purpose. Section 1, Your Future in STEM, Answering the Call. This is where you step up as the hero of your own educational journey. Now, let me ask you something directly. Do you like solving puzzles? What about building things from scratch? Or, just exploring outside to see how nature actually works? If you're nodding your head right now, I need you to know those natural inclinations, they aren't just random hobbies or ways to pass the time. They are incredible, God-given talents just waiting to be unleashed. The things you naturally gravitate toward are literally clues to what you could do brilliantly in the future. As you start looking toward that future, I know it's easy to feel, a little overwhelmed. It's a lot. But preparing for what's ahead isn't just about picking a job off a list. It's really about partnering with God. Proverbs 16:3 puts it beautifully. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Inviting God into your academic planning brings so much clarity and peace. You don't have to figure it all out alone. You just have to be willing to commit your amazing talents to a higher purpose. Moving right along to Section 2, Why STEM Matters Today. High demand and high impact. Let's talk about why exploring this right now in 8th grade is absolutely crucial. The demand for STEM professionals is just exploding. It's growing rapidly. In fact, STEM jobs are projected to grow more than twice as fast as all other occupations. So getting a head start right now gives you a massive advantage. By exploring career options today, you actually gain the power to choose paths that truly inspire you. It means when you step into high school next year, you can actively shape your classes and extracurriculars around things you actually care about. How cool is that? And this brilliantly illustrates the massive difference between just simply working and truly finding a calling. I mean, you could just get a job, right? Punch the clock, do the bare minimum, or you can make a real-world impact. Researching these fields shows you how you could literally be saving lives through medical breakthroughs or protecting our environment through new conservation techniques. A STEM career isn't just a paycheck, it's a profound opportunity to heal and improve the world around us. All right, Section 3, How to Research Careers. Your roadmap. Let's get practical and talk about the exact, actionable tools you need to start exploring. So we know STEM is huge, but how do you actually find the right path for you? Well, here is a simple 3-step roadmap. Number 1, identify your interests. Think back to those puzzles, the building, the exploring we just talked about. Number 2, research using trusted sources. Don't just guess. Go to verified places like the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, or even better, talk to professionals who actually do the job you're curious about. And number 3, learn the educational requirements. Knowing what a career requires right now means you can perfectly plan out your high school courses and pick the absolute best clubs next year. Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 4, real-world STEM examples. Mentors and archetypes. Time to look at some actual success stories. Let's picture your future for a second. Imagine spending your days as a biomedical engineer. You'd literally be designing life-saving medical devices. To get there, your pathway involves a bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering and gaining some real-world experience in healthcare tech. Or, hey, maybe you'd prefer to be an environmental scientist, actively solving the Earth's biggest environmental problems through field research. Or what about a data scientist? That's someone who uses math and tech to analyze huge amounts of data, basically solving these incredibly complex puzzles. Which of these stories do you actually see yourself in? Okay, challenge time. I want you to grab a pen and a piece of paper right now. Let's treat this just like a real classroom whiteboard. Here are your 5 homework questions to blueprint your future. Number 1, what STEM career interests you and why? Number 2, name one educational requirement for it. 3, why is it so important to research these pathways early? 4, name a trusted source you can use. And 5, list 2 vital skills for STEM professionals. Seriously, take your time with these. Your answers are the literal building blocks for your future.
And that brings us to Section 5, Education, Morality, and Purpose, the ultimate goal. Let's talk about the core philosophy of the Hero Smart Academy Godly Learner series.
So the crucial point is this. Biblical morality has to guide your ambition. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about what you learn, it's about who you become. All of these incredible STEM skills, analyzing data, engineering devices, studying the environment, they are meant to be tools to serve humanity, to honor God, and to protect His creation. A career in STEM is ultimately an act of stewardship. You know, Romans 8:6-7 promises peace of mind to everyone who keeps their mind spiritual. And that's really the secret here. Intertwining your deeply held moral convictions with your hard-earned education is the true secret to finding lasting peace in your career. It ensures that the heavy, day-to-day responsibilities of your profession don't weigh you down, because your mind is grounded in something far, far greater.
I'll leave you with this provocative thought to chew on. What is the point of being highly smart, incredibly skilled in STEM, and supposedly educated if you continue to make choices that hurt yourself, hurt others, or damage the world around you? True education has to elevate your character right alongside your intellect. So, take these insights, go explore the incredible STEM opportunities out there, and build a future that is not just successful, but deeply good. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I'll see you next time.